my motivation to be part of ELIN, the Easy Language Network, is that I think it's everyone's right, and I do believe it's everyone's right to have access to information, and it's crucial to be able to participate in society. And many of us are professionals that are working by ourselves or just have a limited number of colleagues, and therefore it's so important to be part of a network where we can exchange ideas but also encourage each other and form kind of a joint base for future work. So that is why I'm part of ELIN.